Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Hamza Javed and welcome to another video. This video is going to help students, developers and data scientists, and architects understand the big data analytics options available on AWS Cloud. It's just a short overview video and we'll learn about a couple of crucial AWS services. As we become a more digital society, the amount of data being created and collected is growing and accelerating significantly. Analysis of this ever-growing data becomes a challenge with traditional analytical tools. Analyzing large datasets requires significant compute capacity that can vary in size based on the amount of input data and the type of analysis. This characteristic of big data workloads is ideally suited to the pay-as-you-go cloud computing model, where applications can easily scale up and down based on demand. For mission-critical applications on a more traditional infrastructure, system engineers have no choice but to over-provision, because a surge in additional data due to an increase in business need must be something the system can handle. On AWS, your big data applications grow and shrink as demand dictates, and your system runs as close to optimal efficiency as possible. So now that we understand the relationship between big data and AWS, so without any further ado, let's dive right in. The very first service is Amazon Kinesis. It's used to collect streaming data. AWS Lambda to process the data. Amazon S3 to store the collected data. Amazon Glue to orchestrate jobs to move and transform data. And Amazon Athena to analyze the data. Amazon Kinesis is a platform for streaming data on AWS. With Kinesis, you can ingest real-time data such as application logs, website click streams, financial transactions, social media feeds, location tracking events, and build your own real-time application using this data. Kinesis Analytics is the easiest way to process and analyze real-time streaming data. You just use standard SQL to process your data streams and you don't have to learn any new programming language. Let's discuss some ideal usage patterns. Real-time data analytics. Kinesis data streams enable real-time data analytics on streaming data, such as analyzing website click streams data and customer engagement analytics. Logs processing. You can submit system and application logs to Kinesis data streams and access the stream for processing within seconds. Real-time metrics and reporting. Extracting metrics and generating KPIs to power reports and dashboards at real-time speeds. AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda is a function as a service. It lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. There is no charge when your code is not running and you are only charged for the compute time. Each Lambda function must complete within 900 seconds. For long-running applications that may require jobs to run longer than 15 minutes, Amazon EC2 is recommended. Ideal usage patterns for Lambda functions. Real-time file processing. You can trigger a Lambda to invoke a process when a file has been uploaded to Amazon S3 or modified. For example, to change an image from color to grayscale after it has been uploaded to Amazon S3. Extract, transform, and load (ETL). You can use Lambda to run code that transforms data and loads that data from one data repository to another. Replace cron. Use schedule expressions to run a Lambda function at regular intervals. Our next service is a backbone for our big data platform, Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon Simple Storage Service S3 is an object storage service that offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. It's a storage service that offers software engineers a highly scalable, reliable, and low-latency data storage infrastructure at very low costs. The number of objects you can store in an Amazon S3 bucket is virtually unlimited. You can write, read, and delete objects containing from 0 byte to 5 terabytes of data each. Ideal usage pattern: static websites. Amazon S3 provides a highly available and highly scalable solution for websites with only static content. Large-scale analytics. Amazon S3 is also commonly used as a data store for computation and large-scale analytics, such as analyzing financial transactions, clickstream analytics, and media transcoding. Amazon Glue. Glue is a fully managed extract, transform, and load ETL service that you can use to catalog your data, clean it, enrich it, and move it reliably between data stores. Glue is serverless, so there is no infrastructure to set up or manage. It uses a scale-out Apache Spark environment to load your data into its destination. Ideal usage patterns. Automatic crawling. Glue can automatically crawl your data and generate code to execute for data transformations and loading processes. Python and Spark. Glue generates ETL code that is customizable, reusable, and portable using familiar technology, Python and Spark. Amazon Athena. Amazon Athena is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. And you don't need to load your data into Athena as it directly works with data stored in S3. Athena is serverless, so there is no infrastructure to set up or manage, and you can start analyzing data immediately. Ideal usage pattern. You can use Athena to run a query on web and application logs to troubleshoot a performance issue. Amazon Athena has a simple pay-as-you-go pricing with no upfront costs or minimum fees, and you'll only pay for the resources you consume. You can improve the performance of your query by compressing, partitioning, and converting your data into columnar formats. So that's about it from this video. I have added a couple of links in the description below that you might want to look at. If you think you know something interesting about AWS services, please mention that in the comments below so others can learn from the comment section. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.